out for the Vice-Commodore's challenge. We got Spencer and Tom, excellent crew. It's the Vice-Commodore himself sailing. Gonna set the first time of the year, and then you can all beat me. Humboldt Yacht Club here. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, here we are, Skipper's Challenge. We've just come around number 4. That's the second windward mark. We're heading down to 17. We're all set to fly the spinnaker. We've got our spinnaker sheets. Spinnaker's packed, ready to go, but the wind is coming from the 90 degrees. It's a beam reach. And spinnakers don't work that well on beam reaches. They pull the boat sideways, but not forward. So we're gonna kind of stay with the big jib and see how that goes for a while. If our direction changes or the wind direction changes, we'll fly that spinnaker. Further on down the reaching leg, and the wind is dying, but that's okay. It's a beautiful day. There's another boat out. He's not doing the course, and yeah. Welcome to the glorious Humboldt Day. We're flying a spinnaker, people. This is the third leg of the Vice-Commodore's challenge. The wind shifted to behind us, and it allowed us to fly the spinnaker, and we are moving out now, heading down for number 17. So here we are, heading back up the bay. Got the spinnaker down nicely. Got around number 17, and now we're fighting a pretty heavy wind with the tide jumping right into the chop, but the air ride is doing well. Got the jib doing most of the work. We're trying to clear the docks and make the corner, but not quite get it in. Live. We're live. We're gonna make the corner. Wind is freshening, but not overwhelming, and